Acts
Acts
chapter 25,
chapter 25,
19 to
19 to
chapter 26,
chapter 26,
1.
1.
Rather they had
That they had
certain points of dispute
certain points of dispute
with him
with him
about their own religion
about their own religion
and about a certain Jesus
and about a certain Jesus
who was dead,
who was dead,
but whom
but whom
Paul asserted to be
is said to be
alive,
alive,
being at a loss
being at a loss
how to investigate
how to investigate
these questions.
these questions.
I asked
I asked
whether he wanted to go
whether he wanted to go
to Jerusalem
to Jerusalem
and be tried
and be tried
there regarding them.
there recording them.
But when Paul had appealed
But when Paul had a fool
to be kept in
to be kept in
custody
custody
for the decision of the emperor,
for the decision of the emperor,
I ordered him
I ordered him
to be held
to be held
until I could send him
until I could send him
to Caesar.
to Caesar.
Then Agrippa said to Festus,
Then Agrippa said to Festus,
I would like to hear
I would like to hear
the man myself.
the man myself.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow,
said he,
said he,
you will hear him.
you will hear him.
So on the next day,
So on the next day,
Agrippa
Agrippa
and Bernice
and Bernice
came with great pomp,
came with great pomp,
and they entered the audience
and they entered the audience
hall
hall
with the military
with the military
tribunes
tribune
and the
and the
prominent men
prominent men
of the city.
of the city.
Then at the command of Festus,
Then at the command of Festus,
Paul was brought in,
Paul was brought in.
and Festus said,
Festus said,
King Agrippa
King Agrippa
and all
and all
who are present with us,
who are present with us,
you see this man
you see this man
about whom the whole
about the whole
Jewish people
Jewish people
petition me,
petition me,
both in Jerusalem and here,
both in Jerusalem and here,
shouting that
shouting that
he ought
he ought
not to live
not to live
any longer.
any longer.
But I found that
But I found that
he had done nothing
he had done nothing
deserving death,
deserving death.
and as he himself appealed
And as he himself appeared
to the emperor,
to the emperor
I decided to go ahead
and decided to go ahead
and send him.
and send him.
But I have nothing
But I have nothing
definite to write
indefinite to write
to my Lord about him.
to my Lord about him.
Therefore I have brought him
Therefore I have brought him
before you all,
before you,
and especially before you,
especially before you,
King Agrippa,
King Agrippa,
so that
so that
after we have examined him,
after we have examined him,
I may have something to write.
I may have something to write.
For it seems to me
For it seems to me
unreasonable
unreasonable
in sending a prisoner
in sending a prisoner
not to indicate the charges
not to indicate the charges
against him.
against him.
Acts
Acts
chapter 26.
chapter 26.
So Agrippa said to Paul,
So Agrippa said to Paul,
you have permission to speak for yourself.
you have permission to speak yourself.
Then Paul
Then Paul
stretched out his hand
stretched out his hand
and made his defense.
and made his
Acts
Acts
chapter 26,
chapter 26,
2 to
2 to
chapter 26,
chapter 26.
11.
11.
I consider myself fortunate
I consider myself fortunate
that it is before you,
that it is before you,
King Agrippa.
King Agrippa.
I am going to make
I'm going to make
my defense today
my defense today
against all the accusations
against all the accusations
of the Jewish,
of the Jews,
especially because you are familiar
because you are familiar
with all the customs
with all the customs
and controversies
and controversies
of the Jews.
of the Jews.
Therefore, I beg you
Therefore, I beg you
to listen to me
to listen to me
patiently.
My
My manner of life
manner of life
from my youth,
from my youth,
sent
sight
from the beginning
from the beginning
among my own nation
among my own nation
and in Jerusalem,
and in Jerusalem
is known by all the Jews.
is known by all of you.
They have known for a long time.
They have not forgotten.
If they are willing to testify
They are willing to testify
that according to the
that according to the
strictest party
strictest party
of our
of our
religion,
religion,
I have lived as a Pharisee.
I have lived as a Pharisee.
And now I stand here
And now I stand here
on trial
and try
because of my hope
because of my
in the promise
promise
made by God
made by God
to our fathers,
to our fathers,
to which
to which
our 12 tribes
to our 12 tribes
hope to attain
have attained
as they earnestly worship
as they earnestly worship
night and day.
night and day.
And for this hope,
And for this house,
I am accused by Jews.
accused by Jews.
O King,
O King,
why is it thought
why is it thought
incredible by
incredible by
any of you
any of you
that God rises the dead?
that God rises the dead?
I myself was convinced that
I myself was convinced that
I ought to do
I ought to do
many things
many things
in opposing the name of Jesus
in opposing the name of Jesus
of Nazareth.
of Nazareth,
And I did
and I did
so in Jerusalem.
so in Jerusalem.
I not only locked up
I not only locked up
many of the saints
many of the saints
in prison
in prison
after receiving
after receiving
authority from the chief priests,
authority from the chief priest,
but when they were
the form of
put to death,
put to
I cast my vote
word
against them,
against them,
and I punished them
and I punished them
often
often
in all
in all
the synagogues,
the synagogue,
and tried to make them
and tried to make them
blasphemy,
blasphemy
and in ragging
and
fury against them,
against them.
I persecuted them
I persecuted them
even to foreign cities.
even to foreign cities.